This video will explain how to resolve a gas leak in docking station error message displayed in the status bar of the monitor. This error occurs when the docking station is contaminated or when the gasket is missing or defective. First, verify that the sensor is clean and that there is no dried gel on the surface or outer membrane ring. If there is no visible contamination in the docking station or on the sensor, the gas leak may have been caused by a badly seated sensor. The sensor should fit securely in the holder on the inside of the docking station door. Reposition the sensor if needed. Then, close the door and allow the sensor to calibrate. If the gas leak continues after the calibration and leak test, continue to the next troubleshooting steps. If the gasket is lightly contaminated, clean the gasket with cotton gauze soaked with 70% isopropanol. Remove any residual fibers and let dry. Close the door and allow the sensor to calibrate after cleaning the docking station. If the gasket is extremely contaminated, missing, backwards, or twisted, follow the next steps to remove and insert correctly. The pictured materials will help with removing and replacing the O-ring gasket. First, open the docking station door. Remove the old gasket using tweezers or a plastic G-pick. Take care not to damage the lining groove. Clean the groove using a cotton swab soaked with 70% isopropanol and let dry. Notice that one side of the gasket is flat. This side will face the monitor. Next, take the new gasket and soak it in 70% isopropanol. This will make insertion easier. Insert the gasket with the flat side facing towards the monitor. Press it into the lining groove with a cotton swab soaked with 70% isopropanol. Work in a circular motion so the gasket aligns correctly. Ensure that there are no remaining cotton fibers on the gasket. Once dry, close the docking station door and let the sensor calibrate. At this point, the test will finish automatically and you can walk away from the monitor. You will see the message, "Leak test in progress." This message does not require any action. If the Ready for Use screen is displayed, the error message has been successfully resolved. If the error message persists, call your local SenTec contact.